Just like that. That was smoother today, though.
Yeah, it didn't feel like...
See, you didn't slip at all through your pins.
Oh.
You were in there tight enough, you didn't slip.
True.
Okay, I got you. Drop it. We got one more. There it is.
Oh, that was like 4 more.
Yep. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. I want you just to keep your teeth together. Keep breathing through your nose. Oh, yeah. I don't have to ask if you felt that all the way down.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, I know you did. Okay, let your head relax in my hand here now. I got you. Okay, tilt your left ear to your left shoulder. There. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. There you go, better. Works better when I do it. You get a workout just lifting your legs up and your arms. Okay, deep breath through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Oh yeah, home run. I don't have to ask twice if you felt that one all the way down. Now, you remember your reflexes before. Look at that. That's better, isn't it? Yes, sir. That's it. Nope, I still got one here. Let me have you. Wiggle your left big toe. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Lift your head up for a sec. There you go. Lay it back down. Okay. Keep your chin, teeth together. Just breathe through your nose. Just like that. Yes, sir. Now you should have felt that move all the way down to your coccyx.
Yeah, I did.
Good deal. Keep breathing. Let me have your neck over here. Oh yeah. Okay, I got you. Nope, you're trying to help me on that one. Just tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. Wiggle your left foot. Okay. That's all right.
That's it.
The cavitation noise or the crack that you hear is a nitrous gas bubble that explodes inside the synovial joint. I know. There you go. Should have felt that go all the way down, did you?
Sure did.
You good? You ain't still kicking, you're good. I'm trying not to break my toes with those steel pins when I drop them. That a girl, see there? Boy, I got no say. You knock them out, I'll line them up. Yes, sir. Home run. Well, I bet he's still kicking. Yep. I bet you the decibel meter would be louder on me dropping the pins in the cervical. I don't know. Maybe not. There you go. Good job. Okay. Just lift your head up for a second. Get this under there. Okay, then lay it back. Keep your teeth together. Make sure you don't bite on your tongue. Just breathe through your nose. Yes, ma'am. Home run. I know you felt that all the way down, didn't you? Yep. That's why we call it ring dinger, because it gets everything from your skull all the way down to your pelvis in a split second. It reseats all the joints. Okay. There we go. There. Now you and Michelle have also taken advantage of going out and checking out the restaurants and the sights and sounds of Houston.
Yes, sir.
And how do you like Houston, Texas?
I'll tell you what, it's a big town.
Yep. That's perfect, man. It doesn't get any better than that. Good job.
Felt great.
Yep. We treat people with scoliosis the same, cervical strain sprain the same. There you go. Oh yeah. I remember your first one, you were going, whoo, oh my God. And now you've been looking forward to it, huh? You've got a little kick to you now.
I got the kick now.
Let me have your head. That
Oh,
girl.
that was
Yes,
a good
ma'am. That one quickly. See, Elvis has not left the building at this point. And when he does leave the building, he's going to leave the building in less pain than when he walked in the door. He's thinking, you think so, huh? There you go. Yes, sir, you Bob. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you? Did you feel that all the way into your coccyx? Yeah, you felt that probably down your little toe, huh? Look how good that reflex is now. I'm not done yet. Here, put your hands right there and relax. Okay, just relax this. That's it. Yes, sir?
Oh yeah.
Yep, lay it back. There you go. There we go. Oh, yeah. Boy, that's getting smoother and more in-depth. You got that all the way down, didn't you? Yeah. And you're still kicking too. Good. Okay, just let this go to your right ear to your right shoulder. That a girl. Good. Okay. Down there in the lumbosacral spine region that restricts her lumbosacral joint, which is L5S1. That a girl. Oh, that was smooth silk.
Woo.
Didn't hurt me a bit.
Thank you. Oh my
No,
goodness.
you did good on that one today too. She had absolutely zero reflex when we first started with her. Now she's got a little reflex on both sides, especially on that left side. Okay, I got one more here. That's all. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. Let me do it. There you go. Good. See, it works better when I do it.
Yeah.
0. So she's had one adjustment, and already her reflexes are improving. And let's see how we do after this one. Breathe through your nose. Oh, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Woo.
You felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh,
You're
and then
feeling
some.
it?
Oh.
Okay.
Whew.
Still not much there on the right, but the left one's a lot better on that one. You see
Oh,
that?
yeah.
Like
Way
picked
better
up
from
there.
this morning.
Okay. Let your neck go in my hands here. Tilt left a little, wiggle your right big toe. Atta girl. Okay, now wiggle your left big ear. There you go. Got you.
Improvement.
Good. So get the ring digger and get better grades. There you go. Super. Feel that all the way down?
Yes, I did.
Good. Alright, let me have your neck. Yes, sir. I got you. Wiggle the right big toe. Perfect. Good job. Now they're all gonna get on me for the table so we can. Okay, this one's for all you crack addicts around the world. Yes, sir. Home run.
Ooh.
How do you spell relief?
Oh my
Crack.
goodness.
Yep. Now this is interesting story with Jay. Jay said his neck hasn't moved like that in how many years? It's good to be a chiropractor. And it's good to have you here.
Hey!
Go, yep,
Whoa!
yep. We're seeing all kinds of reactions on people's first ring dingers today. That was less intense than
Yeah.
your first one though.
Yeah, I was shocked this morning when I.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Drop this in my hand here. Boy, oh boy. Great. And within 3 months' time, no more asthma, no more allergies, no more pills, no more medical doctors. So I knew in the 8th grade I did not want to be a medical doctor and wanted to be a chiropractor. And there's no question that one went all the way down. They were a little worried about you the other day. There you go. You're still kicking though. No, I got one more. Tilt right a little. There you go. Okay. Yeah, just keep breathing with your left big toe. There you go. Good. Yes, ma'am. I always get it. Yeah, I just wait on you between bucks. Okay, drop it in my hand. There you go. See, I'm up high on her atlas, adjusting her atlas laterally and posteriorly.